if you're looking for a great third row SUV, then check out this 2017 Chevy Traverse. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have your Chevy badge right there in the middle, halogen headlamps up front, plus accent lamps below that. And this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. You have your 17-inch wheels in that 6-spoke design. And looking at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. Okay, so looking at these front seats, you have these gray cloth seats with that texturized insert up top. Your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, media controls, Bluetooth streaming, all there on the front. Then looking at your media center, you have your LCD display. It is touchscreen. You have your CD insert up top, radio options here, and then all of your other options around on these pages, including all of your settings. And this also has a backup camera when you are in reverse. So climate controls below that. You also have your rear wiper and then a USB port and a 12-volt, 2 cup holders in the middle. This opens up for some space, and then it also slides back to give you even more room down below. Has a shelf, and then there's a 12-volt in there. Looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable. And let's look at the back. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have a bench seat in the middle with 3 passengers. And then you have 2 cup holders that fold down there. You have your climate controls, 12-volt, 2 USB ports, and then you can fold these down, and then you have 3 more seats in the back, so it seats 8 people total, cup holders on each side. Roof rack up top. Got your tail lamps back here, rear windshield wiper, and then let's take a look into the trunk. Lots of space back here. You have even more room down below, and then you can fold these seats down as well. So, gives you lots more room. Overall, great vehicle, lots of space for you and your family or your friends. And if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.